Hello, my name's Ben, I'm a UK-based mountain leader, and this is My Pennine Way adventure, day 3.
Yo! Last night I was like, holy shit man, I'm aching. And then I thought, hang on, switched my position. I was fine, got some sleep. The body's feeling alright, the legs are feeling fine. The plan is today is to just keep a nice steady pace and see how far we can get. Me and my mate Kyle, we used to come running down here. I remember him coming off the PCT and being like, dude, let's go running. It's nice to be back, man. I forget how peaceful it is here. I miss those times. There's new times ahead. So I've just dropped down towards High Withens and I've just come across this. High Withens is often cited as the inspiration for the setting of Emily Bronte's 1847 novel Wuthering Hights. I once did a Wuthering Hights photo shoot. Check this out. Heading down into High Withens. Feeling good. Gonna stop at 10 o'clock for some food. Pretty much through High Withens now. The next stop after High Withens, I don't know, is it Gargrave or something like that? I'll let you know later on. But I need to get off my arse and start walking again. Crazy. Check this out. Just randomly on the side of the trail.
Went up out of High Withens, back up onto the moors, and then dropped down into Cowling.
Things just got really nasty, man. Look at this. What even is this? It goes all the way down there like that. Ugh. Last bit of the trail with all the mud and that was absolutely crap, man. I'm at Pinhow at the moment. I can see Ingleborough over there. Look at this view.
Day 3 felt nice to be moving, but it also, mentally, it was quite draining because the trail wasn't very nice.
This awesome tree. I'll do some B-roll of it for you.
And then from Thornton in Craven, you end up in East Martin. So I'm sort of like walked through Thornton in Craven, stinking of cow shit, and then got to East Martin. By this time it was getting dark. I was starting to feel pretty spent. Just outside of Gargrave, there's like lots of massive farm like areas with big fields, and I actually found this little tree. It was like a canopy, and I just thought, get the tent out, get under that tree and ditch, and as long as I got up in the morning and set off before first light, I should be alright. So I pitched there and called it a day. Hope you're enjoying these Pennine Way adventure videos that I'm making. Subscribe by hitting that subscribe button just there. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will see you guys next Monday for day 4 of My Pennine Way adventure in a bit.